No, it ain't gonna fall.
Stop. Remember the vibration. Look at the blow-by. This is how this car is running before a thermal treatment. This is the idle. This engine is not treated yet. Look at the pulley. Look at the idle pulley before a thermal treatment. Look how the cap bounces on the vibration from the engine. Look at the blow-by that he has like before thermal treatment. Remember the sound of this engine before the thermal treatment. Stand by after thermal treatment. Okay, we are going to add thermal treatment to this engine and then rev it up above 2,000 RPMs for 10 minutes, and then this individual will need to drive this vehicle for at least a half an hour to an hour. The initial burn-in time is most important the first time you apply it. Thereafter, it's a 3,000 mile cure. Okay, at the bottom. Okay, this engine's been treated after the 10-minute burn-in. Notice how the gas cap has less vibration and the pulley is not shifting as much.
Not moving at all. Not moving
at all. The idle pulley is not moving at all. And this vehicle still needs a half-hour burn-in period of driving minimum with initial treatment. And again, it still keeps on improving because it still needs 3,000 miles.
3,000 miles, this will be gone.
And then the blow-by will be gone. Actually, it looks less already.